In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Forms that are no longer accepting responses. Google Forms are an incredibly useful tool for collecting information, conducting surveys, and gathering feedback. However, there are times when they stop accepting responses, and this can be a real hiccup in your workflow. Whether you're a teacher running a class poll, a business owner collecting customer opinions, or simply a user managing a family RSVP list, understanding how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue is key to ensuring seamless data collection. First, let's jump into the troubleshooting process by opening up your Google form. You'll want to go to your Google Drive and locate the form that isn't accepting responses. Once you've found it, double-click to open it. Now, you should see the form exactly how you designed it. The next step is to check whether your form is, indeed, set to accept responses. To do this, look for the Settings button, which is often represented by a gear icon, typically located at the top right of your screen. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. After the Settings menu is open, navigate to the Responses section. Here, you'll see a toggle option labeled Accepting Responses. Make sure this toggle is switched on. If it's off, simply click it to turn it on. This change should allow your form to start accepting responses again. Now, in case this doesn't resolve the problem, double-check any limitations you may have inadvertently set up. Sometimes, there's a chance of restrictions based on time or certain conditions set in the form settings. Verify these options to see if there's any customization preventing further submissions. It's also a good idea to check the permissions and access settings. Make sure that whoever you want to fill out the form has access rights. Click on the Send button and then look for the option that lets you manage who has access. Ensure your intended audience is allowed to view and submit the form. If by any chance you still encounter issues, it's possible there might be an error or bug on Google's side. Here, you should consider checking Google's Workspace status dashboard to see if there are any known outages affecting Google Forms. Occasionally, services do experience temporary issues, and this will give you an insight if something beyond your control is going on. In summary, start by opening your Google form from Google Drive. Ensure the Accepting Responses option is switched on in the Settings menu, and review any limitations or permission settings you may have configured. With these steps, your form should be back up and running, enabling you to continue collecting those vital responses with minimal interruption. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.